Guna Vidhanena, Prabhupada says a devotee, his ornaments are the absorption in the qualities of God. In our heart, if the heart is enchanted by the different qualities of the Lord, that is the ornaments of a devotee. Harer Gunakshipta Matihi, that is the word used by Suta Goswami for Shukadeva Goswami. My spiritual master was so great that his heart was filled with the qualities of Krishna. What is Rath Yatra for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? It is Radharani requesting Krishna to come back. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tasting the separation of Krishna, of Radharani, that's the highest ecstasy. What we know, we only know material sense enjoyment. But in spiritual happiness, the highest thing is separation of Krishna for the gopis. The highest ecstasy, highest spiritual consciousness. Where we are in mundane consciousness, and just imagine, by mercy of Srila Prabhupada, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we have understood there is something like that. We don't know how many million lifetimes we will at least taste that. Sure. And we can cheat the world, but we cannot cheat Krishna. Krishna is not, we cannot make a joke of spiritual life. Prabhupada said, don't make a joke. And you see that how much strict he is. Now you talk to two examples we have, correct? What are the first example? Pratapruddha example. A drop, just a drop. Because when we associate with rich people, what is the danger? Then we may also desire opulence like that, a drop. Basically signifying, be careful to desiring an opulence, and Chota Haridas Thakur, be careful desiring a sense gratification. So you see how strict Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how strict he is. So don't think that it's a spiritual life is a joke. Let us become serious. Therefore the shloka comes, poison. So this poison of these two things, see what happens. The heart gets satisfaction from opulence, and heart gets satisfaction in association opposite sex. Now these two enjoyments choke away your spiritual life. Then the heart is happy. Why you want Krishna then?